The question of whether alien life exists has been a topic of fascination and speculation for centuries. While the existence of extraterrestrial life has not been confirmed, there are several scientific theories and interesting facts that suggest it is possible. Firstly, the sheer size of the universe makes it statistically likely that there are other forms of life beyond Earth. The universe contains an estimated 100 billion galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. With such a vast expanse of space, it seems improbable that Earth is the only planet capable of supporting life. Moreover, scientists have discovered that many planets outside our solar system are in the habitable zone, which means they have the right conditions for liquid water to exist. Water is essential for life as we know it, so the presence of liquid water on other planets is a promising sign for the possibility of alien life. There have also been several intriguing findings that suggest there may be microbial life on other planets in our own solar system. For example, NASA's Mars rover has detected methane gas on the red planet, which could be a sign of biological activity. Additionally, in 2015, scientists discovered evidence of liquid water flowing on Mars, which could potentially provide a habitat for microbial life. Another interesting fact is the discovery of extremophiles, which are organisms that can survive in extreme environments on Earth. These organisms have been found in locations such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents, Antarctic ice, and even inside nuclear reactors. The existence of these resilient organisms suggests that life may be able to survive in harsh conditions elsewhere in the universe. Despite these scientific theories and findings, there is still no concrete evidence of alien life. The absence of any definitive proof has led some scientists to question the possibility of extraterrestrial life altogether. However, others believe that we simply have not found the right conditions or have not looked far enough. While the existence of alien life has not been confirmed, there are several scientific theories and interesting facts that suggest it is possible. The vast size of the universe, the habitable zones of planets, the potential for microbial life on other planets in our solar system, and the discovery of extremophiles all point towards the possibility of extraterrestrial life. As our technology and understanding of the universe continue to evolve, it is possible that we may one day discover concrete evidence of alien life. One of the most intriguing aspects of the search for alien life is the concept of the Goldilocks Zone. This is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. The concept is named after the fairy tale character Goldilocks, who famously found the porridge, chair, and bed that were just right for her. Scientists have identified several exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system, that are in the Goldilocks zone. For example, in 2016, astronomers discovered a planet orbiting the star Proxima Centauri, which is only 4.2 light-years away from Earth. The planet, named Proxima b, is about the same size as Earth and is located in the habitable zone of its star. Another interesting discovery in the search for alien life is the detection of exoplanets with atmospheres. By studying the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere as it transits in front of its star, scientists can analyze the chemical composition of the atmosphere. In 2017, astronomers used this technique to detect water vapor in the atmosphere of a planet called K2-18b, which is located in the habitable zone of its star. In addition to searching for life on other planets, scientists are also looking for signs of intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations. One method is the search for radio signals or other forms of electromagnetic radiation that may be emitted by advanced civilizations. This search is known as the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, and it has been ongoing since the 1960s. Despite numerous attempts, no definitive evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life has been found. However, there have been several unexplained phenomena that have led some to speculate that we may have already been visited by aliens. For example, the so-called "wow" signal was a radio signal detected by SETI researchers in 1977 that was so strong and unusual that it was speculated to be of extraterrestrial origin. However, the signal has never been detected again. The search for alien life is an ongoing endeavor that has fascinated scientists and the general public for decades. While no definitive proof of extraterrestrial life has been found, there are many scientific theories and interesting facts that suggest it is possible. As technology and our understanding of the universe continue to advance, it is possible that we may one day discover concrete evidence of alien life, whether it is in the form of simple microbial organisms or advanced intelligent civilizations. One of the challenges in the search for alien life is the difficulty in detecting life on other planets. While the presence of liquid water and organic molecules may indicate the potential for life, these alone do not provide definitive proof of living organisms. Additionally, the distances involved in interstellar travel make it highly unlikely that we will be able to directly observe alien life anytime soon. To overcome these challenges, scientists are developing new technologies and techniques to search for signs of life on other planets. For example, the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, which is set to launch in 2021, will be able to detect the chemical signatures of biological molecules in the atmospheres of exoplanets. Another approach is to search for biosignatures, which are signs of life that can be detected from a distance. One promising biosignature is the presence of oxygen in a planet's atmosphere. Oxygen is highly reactive and tends to combine with other elements, so its presence in a planet's atmosphere could be a strong indicator of biological activity. In addition to searching for life on other planets, scientists are also exploring the possibility of finding life in other parts of our own solar system. For example, there is evidence that liquid water exists on several of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, including Europa, Enceladus, and Titan. These moons could potentially harbor microbial life in subsurface oceans. Finally, it is worth considering the potential implications of discovering alien life. The discovery of extraterrestrial organisms, whether simple or complex, would have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It could also raise new questions about the origins and nature of life itself. In conclusion, the search for alien life is a fascinating and ongoing endeavor that combines scientific inquiry with our innate curiosity about the universe. While the existence of extraterrestrial life has not been confirmed, there are many scientific theories and interesting facts that suggest it is possible. As technology continues to advance, it is possible that we may one day discover concrete evidence of alien life, leading to new insights and discoveries about the nature of the universe and our place within it.